Hey everyone, it's Gabe Faust with A+ Auto Service, serving the Charleston area. Today, I'm bringing you on location to see our newest project, the 1967 Chevy Camaro SS convertible that we've dubbed the Krispie Kreme Camaro. This beaut was brought to us from an online auction. Yes, I know it's crazy. I know it's maddening that I would pay $16,000 for a vehicle that I never even once looked at except for pictures online. But I had this great feeling. I had this great feeling that this vehicle would be the best decision that I ever made. And so far, I'm not too far off, even though it needs some work. This vehicle was bought at a salvage sale in Pennsylvania. We really had no idea what we were getting into. And once we got it off the transport truck, we realized that somebody had put their heart and soul into this vehicle. And the unfortunate thing is obviously it caught on fire. This vehicle has been completely redone. It has brand new interior with no wear marks on the seats. It had a brand new top. Obviously it has a little bit of damage. Brand new engine, transmission, suspension, all the upgrades that you could possibly do to a 67 Camaro at this time. Budget and time are not on our side. So for this vehicle, we're really trying to use what it already has, anything that's good, salvage it, and get it back on the road as soon as possible. We're really trying to meet a car show deadline so that we could showcase our abilities and skills. This vehicle came with a 327 engine that was in it when it burned down, and we're going to be reviving that engine, upgrading it to a Holley EFI system, along with a bumper cam from Competition Cams and a aluminum radiator with electronic cooling fans, just to give it a little bit of a modern flair and modern technology. But first things first, we really got to get this thing in a lot better shape. We got to fix the fire damage, and to do that, we're going to have to strip it down to the bare metal. We're going to have to use a special compound to get the new paint to adhere to it. We're also going to have to go through the car and make sure that the safety of this car is 100% top notch, so that obviously we don't have a wheel falling off when we're going down the road. But also we're going to have people seeing this, and we want it to exemplify A+ Auto Service. From there, we're going to get the top repaired and get a new windshield put in it. And by that time, our engine should be finished and we should be able to put it in and get cruising to that car show. On the next episode, we'll be taking you behind the scenes so you can see the in-depth coverage of what it's really going to take to put this 1967 Chevy Camaro back to its original glory. So hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all the awesome projects that A+ Auto Service is putting out.